almost the same one.
I think that's the guy who shot us.
No.
I think this is the other guy.
That's the other guy.
Now there are a lot of Okos, right?
That's not Okosh. That's the first one, the 700k.
Ah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we will buy this later after the heli.
Now we look all the same.
He wants. Yeah. You ready, guys, to go?
I go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Because I have a meeting in 1 hour. I need to prepare at my work. So. And then I will make a break and then I'll be back, guys. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, me and Rai can also take a break.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, eat
So we're
something.
fresh, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It sounds like a very good idea.
Sounds like a good idea.
Now Ray will take a rest sometime during the day, thanks to Pablo. Without you, bro, he was playing 16 hours a day.
16? No, I'm
Rai-
leaving. I'm leaving my... I'm watching though. I'm watching some movies.
Rai is a beast.
Yeah,
There was another game we played, man. You wouldn't believe how extensive his base was. His base was unbelievable.
Which game?
Valheim.
I finished the game.
Man, the
Valheim.
portals. He had so many portals. Jesus Christ. He had traps.
Yeah, I like Valheim also.
Ah,
Gonna
see,
spin.
he wanted to buy the car.
Yeah. Oh, you see, hey, this guy is going afterwards. Watch out. You saw him? He's in the
Yeah.
field there. Watch out. He's coming after us. Watch out,
Yeah,
guys.
This is a fight. This is a fight.
Yeah.
Don't panic, bro. Fuck. Look
Chill.
Oh, he's right after us.
Yup. He's behind us. I saw him.
Kill him. This
No,
is
we can.
shootable.
But we have a lot.
Okay.
He's chasing. It's the same guy.
Yeah,
From the base.
Relax.
He's following us.
Yeah.
The purple guy.
Fuck Luca. Come on. Relax, bro.
He's probably gonna come out now.
I just want to check if he follows.
Nah, don't fucking do that. Just go straight to the base. Don't make
Oh
excuses.
yeah, he's there.
He's
He's there now. He's right behind us. He's there. Yes.
Yeah.
Or should we
He's
go
directly
out?
behind us. He's gonna chase us now. He's beside us already. He's gonna bump us. Yeah. Bumping us. Oh, he turned. He popped out. He's gonna take shots.
Go. Don't go in. Don't go in.
I know. Chill.
I cannot go back now. Let's just go to altar. Let's take a break.
Yeah.
You can
That's
be-
why he was, asking about the car. Yeah.
And who has the key?
He's still after us, huh? The guy is already on top. One is driving, one is about to shoot. Yep.
Yeah.
Right behind us.
Okay, this gun is quick.
Yeah, it's
That's
very
right.
fast. Yep.
Right.
He's firing. They're beside. Left side. Wow.
Nothing big, yeah.
Cry is alive.
You're alive? You're alive, you know? You kill him. Watch out, they're on by spade.
Good luck, Ray.
Hey, we should go to the forest, Ray. We shouldn't go. The forest, get out of the car and then...
Fuck you, bitch.
You killed him?
Killed one.
Hey, you killed the second we have a car.
Yeah, one more.
That's fucking good. Run there.
Go back here, boys.
Yeah. We're responding.
Yeah.
Kill them, bitches!
Wow!
Come on!
Yeah!
Come on!
Yeah!
Come
What's
on!
your name?
Fuck you! Fuck you, bitches!
Hey, chill, Ray, focus.
Go Ryan! Man, we have a car.
What's my fucking name, boys?
We have a new car.
No, it's not yet. We need to come
It's
to
not
the-
yet. Shit, we
Boy,
gotta
go-
go.
go-